There's a cormorant down there diving. I think he dove just as I hit record, but there he is. But a cormorant way inland like this, fishing in fresh water, that's unusual. It's not something you see every day. There's that spit of land with a road going down to it that has water access. See, I'm in between the trestles. It's a solid rock. There's the original railroad ties, and there's the long one, and there's the tunnel, and there's the second small one. And so the north tunnel is up there like that direction, maybe a mile, something like that. Okay, those underwater basalt formations match perfectly to where I broke the outdrive of my boat. There's a boulder. There's the size of it. Maybe 100 pounds. It's a long way down there. It didn't hit the water. What the goddamn hell is that? Is they trying to keep King Kong out or something? What is that? God have mercy. I've never seen nothing like that. It must be something awfully cool beyond this point. I'm about half or 3/4 of the way down the lake. There's nothing really different. Got your same basic basalt and dried up tinder. See, both of the hawks are up there spying me. One's there, and there's the other one. So as I pedal along, they're sitting looking down on me like Indians or something. I don't know what kind they are. When I use the bike trail for the tunnels and the trestles, I have my own private resort. It's a smooth gravel beach, not sharp gravel, but smooth round gravel. Abandoned boat, interesting to look at. Firewood abounds. There's a fireplace there, picnic tables, nice cliffs, cool breeze blowing in off of the lake. Plus the bike path is just right there. And the road leads in right there. It's mine, private, not trespassing.